Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you how to choose colors for your KDP covers. KDP covers are very important because cover is the very first thing that a customer looks at, and this cover converts into clicks and then into sales. If you have made a really good interior but your cover is not good and your color selection is not good, then customer is not going to click on your cover. That's why choosing very appealing and eye-catchy colors is very important part of your KDP covers. So in this video I am going to show you a very wonderful resource for your color selection, and this will give you a color palettes that you can use on your low and no content book covers, so that your cover look more appealing than your competition. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. This site is color.adobe.com/explore. You can see here in the address bar color.adobe.com/explore. This website contains hand-picked colors by the designers. There are variety of colors and color palettes actually, and you can see here these are very beautiful colors and they go with each other very professionally. So you can create very good looking and very professional looking cover by using these colors. Just scroll through this and pick one of them. You can see here there is image as well. You can see the image and then you can see the color combinations below it. So you can pick one image as you want for your niche, and then you can click on one of them and you can get your color palette. For example, this is appealing to me, and you can see here I have all the colors used in this very beautifully designed image. So I can literally copy these colors and create my KDP covers that looks very appealing and very professional on KDP while a customer's doing a research, and he is more likely to click on the cover that is using color theory or very good colors. So that is science behind it. I will make a separate video on color theory as well. So here I will select, you can see here, you can get the idea from the image that this color is being used on the background. Here just copy it and let's come back to our notebook. Copy the color code and paste it here in Canva, and then just change it. The background has been changed to this color, that is bluish, or you can see. Now let's change the color of the text. You can select this one for our top line, text line, and here you can see. Now choose a different color for this one, that is, you can choose a shade of it like this and change the color for that as well for KDP. And it is recommended to stick with two or three colors, or mostly two colors. So I am sticking with two colors. You can see that is looking good. Now change the spine as well to this. Now it is looking quite better than the previous you were seeing on this screen. Now if you are not satisfied with that, then you can always click on this and then you can change the saturation by going to this new color, and you can change the saturation here like this, and your book cover will definitely pop up. You can see by changing the saturation, that is looking very professional and very attractive to eyes. So you can also go back if you don't like this cover, then you can go back and select some other color scheme, other color palette. For example, I want to use this one, then I will be using, this is for the background. You can see here from the image, that is for the background, and just make a duplicate of this, so we can compare the color selection. Here, that is our background color. Now select some dark color for our text like black, and that is like copying and pasting colors. Now again use a different color or shade for this one. I am going to use this one for the middle text, middle line, and change the color accordingly like that, and then again use this one black, because this is the contrast actually. Control V. Or you can use second color. This is also making a contrast with this, or you can use a shade of that color of background for this one. So no, you can always change the saturation. Just click on here and new color and change the saturation, or you can select white or blue. Just use your own imagination as well. So in this way you can create very beautiful covers and good looking covers. I love to say eye-catching covers for your books. Just change this spine text as well. So these colors are looking very good with each other, and that is based on the color theory. These colors palettes are hand-picked by designers, and that is all from Adobe.com. You can also go here on the next page and select see more color palettes, and you can accordingly change your book covers. So I would recommend spend some time on creating your cover so that your end product is very professional looking. So just change the colors, make a duplicate of this, create 2 or 3 variations of your book covers and choose that looks very appealing to the eyes. So that is our background. Now let's change the color of the text. This one lighter color. There is a rule, use one color in dark shade and the other in light, so it pops up. This is the darker and this is the lighter one, so it looks very good on it. And just use this one for the middle text, and this is how you can create beautiful covers. Now again use this one. Let's experiment which one suits well with the background. No, this is not looking very good. So let's change it to this one. This again proves that you need to stick with 2 or more colors only. 1 or 2 colors, not more than 2 or 3. So let's change it to this one. I'm already using this. Change it to this one. Let's see how it looks. Now just if you have selected this one, then again click on here and then click on new color and change the saturation. to something like this, and you are good to go. So again, click on the spine text, spine, and then change the color to this one or this one, or you can use your own imagination. And no, that is not going well. Stick with this one. So that's how you can create very beautiful looking covers just using the color theory. These palettes are based on color theory. So these are 3 variations. Look again and go with the cover that looks appealing to you. I am in favor of this color that is looking better or more appealing to these contrasts. This is also looking good. Then you can again change the background color, shade or saturation. If it is looking too dark or too light, then you can change its saturation and it will look appealing to eyes. So this is how you can choose colors. That the website is just bookmark this page, color.adobe.com/explore. So that is all from me today. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. And if you're new, then do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. It helps me show my video to other viewers as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.